Hi, this is Manjiri for Yogique. Today we are going to do a nice sequence for moms to be. I teach prenatal yoga classes and I often notice that the lower back really gets tender. So here are some movements that can help you alleviate that pain and strengthen the back as well as open the hips, and in general just bring more stability into your lower back. So if you have a chair or a bolster or even like along your bed, just some kind of a platform, you want to sit next to that platform and then slowly place your calves on that platform. And then if you want, you can even just like, maybe you can first lie down and then bring the hands. So whichever method is right for you, you basically want to come into this position. And then just rest your calves and then rest your shoulders and relax here. And this itself is a wonderful, wonderful thing for your lower back. So you can stay here for a few cycles of breath. And the next one, you want to work on your core and your lower back. So I'm going to start with pelvic tilts. At this point, the small of your back is not touching the mat. So as you exhale, you're going to press it into the mat. And as you inhale, you're going to roll the pelvis to emphasize that arch. So on exhale, flatten the lower back. And on inhale, roll the pelvis and lift that arch. So you want to do that at least 10 to 20 times, just as many times as it feels good for you. And then after that, I want to show you a few versions of the pigeon pose. So to begin, you want to grab your right thigh and then roll that thigh out. So these muscles are going to rotate out, opening that right hip. And then you want to place that right ankle against the left thigh and then keep rolling it out. So you can just keep working on this one, keeping your pelvis stable on the mat, and just keep pushing that out. If this feels okay, you don't want anything more out from this pose, you can stay here. If you want a little bit more, intensify the pose, deepen the pose a bit, you can bring that left thigh close to you and then push with your foot. And that gives you more resistance. And then keep rotating the right thigh muscle out and that knee out. So push it out like this. If you want a little bit more, you can grab that calf or that thigh and then pull it in closer to you, as much as your baby allows you to do. And then you can even rock side to side just to massage that lower back that feels so tender. And those of you who are very familiar with this pose, who have done this pose before the baby came along, you can even straighten the leg. And if you need, you can use a strap. So the strap will go around your foot and then you want to press that foot towards the sky. If you don't need it, you can just grab that foot and then pull it in closer. So you're opening the hip, the groin, also opening the hamstrings and the lower back. This just feels awesome. And who says desserts have to be caloric? These are yogic non-caloric desserts. So stay as long as you wish to and just relish each of these poses or any version of the pose as long as you want. And then when you're done, just release. Before changing the side, once again place the calves on the platform and just notice the sensations between the sides. You'll have a distinct experience of release and openness on one side. And when you're ready, go ahead again, do the pelvic tilts and then switch to the other side. Thank you for watching. More to come. Thank you.